Morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to learn about sound of vowel E. In our previous video, we already studied sound of vowel E like ED H sound, EG X sound, EN N sound, ET H sound. So, in sound of vowel E, we are going to study some other E family words. So let's get started. E double L, L sound. B E double L bell, C E double L cell, F E double L fell, H E double L hell, S E double L cell, W E double L well. E A R, ear, ear sound. E A R ear, B E A R beer, D E A R deer, F E A R fear, H E A R hair, T E A R tear. Next, E S T, S sound. It is also from E family sound. B E S T, best. N E S T, nest. P E S T, pest. R E S T, rest. T E S T, test. V E S T, west. Now repeat after me. E double L, L sound. Bell, cell, fell, hell, cell, W E double L, well. E A R, ear sound. Ear, beer, deer, fear, hear, tear. E S T, est, est. Best, nest, pest, rest, test, west. So, children, I hope you understand sound of vowel E, E family words. So, in your home, you have to learn and read aloud these words that you can learn these sounds easily. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.